Welcome to the Lemoore College Library and Learning Resource Center. This video tutorial will show you the steps to finding peer-reviewed articles. Peer-reviewed journal articles, also called academic or scholarly, are papers written by experts, researchers, or academics to share original findings or analysis with other experts, researchers, or academics. They are published in academic journals and are often considered the most credible sources for research. To locate the online databases, navigate to the Lemoore College Library website at lemorecollege.edu/resources/library and click on the databases icon. Lemoore College subscribes to approximately 20 different databases that provide access to different types of media, including ebooks, academic journal articles, newspaper collections, videos, online encyclopedias, and more. One of our most popular databases is EBSCO, all subscribed databases. This database covers a variety of different subjects in a variety of types of media. Click on the title of the database to access the database's search page. Enter your search terms in the search box and click Enter. Your search results will display on the next page. To find journal articles, peer-reviewed, academic, or scholarly, use the filters below the search bar to limit it to peer-reviewed. Additionally, to read the article through the database, make sure to limit it to full text. When you click on the title of the material, it will take you to the item's record, which gives you bibliographic information. If you want to read this article in its entirety, click on Access Options, PDF. You can then read the article online, save it, print it, and most importantly, create a citation for it. The citation button will generate a citation in your chosen citation style, which you can copy and paste into your Works Cited page. Repeat the process until you find all the resources you need to fulfill the requirements of the assignment. Questions? Contact us in person at the 400 building on the Lemoore campus. Chat with us online through the Ask Us button on our website. Call us at 559-925-3420. Or email us at ask@westhillscollege.lebansers.com.